at Sage Alpha. We're continuing work on the 240SX. We've got oil catch can to put back in, filter to go with it, tripod mounts to hold some gauges and the pillar, power steering rack lines from Chase Bays, some oil, and a mechanical oil gauge for now until I can afford a better one. Next up, remove my engine mount, custom made. Okay, so we're gonna need a clamp for here. Alright, we'll leave that sitting like that. And then we slide this on top. Pull up on those and let go. We're on. Double check it. Oh yeah. That worked out perfect. So next step up is to put our 3 bolts in. All right, hose back on. There's that. Time for the pretty bit, the K&N filter. There we are. There we have it. The K&N crankcase filter with the catch can OEM reinstalled. It's ugly, but I just want the car working right now. Now that we got that bit done, we're going to go ahead and run the line through this mechanical oil gauge. I can kind of see it here, but I think from underneath it's going to be easier. I apologize if the view isn't great, but we have to take this fitting here. Need my tape. Hold on, forgot my tape. Alright, got it wrapped with tape. There we go. Maybe a socket would be better for that. Let me fit you up here. Yeah. Perfect. That feels pretty snug. We'll take our line. Which I don't know where we're going to run it through yet. Let's see if I can get you up there to have a look at it. There you go. Well, that's it there, connected. Next up, I want to remove this old clutch lining here, as it's not needed anymore. And there we are. There's that, nicely cleaned up now. Okay, now that we're under here, we're going to be replacing these lines that aren't here anymore, the power steering rack lines, with these Chase Bay lines. One goes here. And the other one, same spot, just further. Let's go ahead and get the fittings in first. Yeah, easier to figure this out. There we go. Okay, there we have that. So the oil line is ran to there, but it will have to still be hooked up once we get the dash in. And we've got the gauge tripod pillar installed.